Good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. Ma'am and sir, my name is Raisa May Manea. I'm 27 years old. I have a partner and I have one child. He is 6 years old. I am Aglipayan. I have one brother. He is 28 years old. I am the youngest and I am high school graduate. And I have work experience here in Philippines. 3 years. I serve one couple and 2 children. He is 3 years old and 5 years old.
And what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do cleaning, ironing, taking care of the kids and the eldest.
Okay. So they have pet
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 dogs, big.
in the house.
Yes, ma'am.
So you also need to take care of the 2
Yes,
big
ma'am.
dog. You cook for them.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dishes you prepare for your employer?
Filipino foods, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn my kids' future, ma'am.
And who will look for your child if you're going to Hong Kong?
My partner and my grandmother, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I am focused to my work, ma'am.
And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer need my service, ma'am.
Okay. Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept job order that there is a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, please hire me and I'll do my best to do my duties and my responsibility. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2137.